Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the nice and good looking craft geek Max stand. This is magnetic phone tripod. No more struggling to clamp. Snap on your device instantly with the smart accessories to capture the best moments. We have 16 pieces of strong magnets embedded, 200 degrees pitch tilt adjustment, and of course a 360 rotation possibility with your phone. 10-meter Bluetooth remote control, stable and convenient hidden tripod included. It's on the market in black and white. And you can also get it, the Tripod Plus Lite or a Tripod Plus Lite Plus Power Shutter. Ooh, experience easy connectivity and integration with the latest smartphone that are built with the compatible of the Magsafe technology. That means the actual and past seasons of the iPhone are directly compatible with that. And we have a quick setup. The Magsafe Tripod mount features a quick release design with strong and 52 magnets for a secure, hassle-free attachment. Perfect for content creators and photographers. And we have a powerful magnetic holding. With up to 6.6 pounds, these are 3 kilograms of magnetic force. It ensures a stable grip on our phone during shots, whether at the gym or on the golf course. And adjustable and rotatably. It offers a 210 degrees vertical adjustment and a 360 degrees phone rotation. This providing flexible shooting angles for diverse perspectives. And of course it's versatile and extendable. 7-section aluminum rod extends up to 64.2 inches. These are 163 centimeters. This is ideal for both indoor and outdoor photography. And is portable and lightweight. The weighting is only 13 OD, 0.37 kilogram, and falling down to 12 inches, 35 centimeters. It's compact and easy to carry. It's perfect for travel and so on. We have an aluminum alloy telescopic rod, a shutter power button, and a remote control, which we can assemble and disassemble from the tripod. We have a bracket rotation part, a connecting bracket, and a magnetic ring. We have a handle sleeve and pole handle and ring magnet and a tripod. Whoa! The product is the OTH-AB22 Max minus MAG for Magsafe. And it's easy, as you can see on that video, to operate the tripod. We press the triangle button on the bottom of the tripod to release the tripod legs. We unfold the phone holder to be upright. We hold the handle sleeve with one hand and the puller handle of the phone holder with the other hand to pull out the telescopic rod. We adjust to desired height, job's done. The tripod legs will open automatically at the telescopic rod being pulled out. And we can fold the tripod again, as you can see. We hold the handle sleeve with our hand and push the telescopic rod back in. And attention, we do not pull the legs to open the tripod. We push the handle sleeve all the way down so that the tripod legs are fully open and stable. And of course we can release the phone holder easy peasy. The remote controller of this product is detachable. Detached remote controller means lift and pull out the remote controller. And we can attach the remote controller back into position. We insert the top of the remote controller and we press down until a click sound is heard. When the battery is low, we can detach the remote controller and charge it with the Type-C cable, which is included in the package. The only power supply you will need is a C adapter, for example, or a power pack, or a computer, laptop, and so on. And we long press the shut power button on the remote control for 3 seconds until the green light flash. On our device, we go to Settings Bluetooth and turn on the Bluetooth. We find the Craft Grid to connect them. When the pairing is completed, the green light will be on constantly. We shall press the shutter power button to take a picture when it connected to smartphone, and we are in camera mode. And long press 3 seconds again to turn off the Bluetooth feature. We have here a Max stand, and this is up to 165 centimeter. The dimensions are 5.7 to 3.175 to 30.5 centimeter. 12 ounces, 340 gram. 50 mAh battery capacity. And it's made from aluminum alloy and ABS. And it's the 202 Max Mag. And it does a really cool job, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.